Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to activate your consumer cellular phone, a step-by-step setup and SIM activation guide. So before you start, make sure you have the following ready. So your new customer cellular phone or an unlocked compatible phone, the consumer cellular SIM card inserted into the phone, the activation code found on the phone box, packing slip, invoice or SIM card kit, your previous carrier account number and transfer pin if you are keeping your current phone number. Method 1, activate online fast test. So go to the consumer cellular activation page, enter your activation code or sign in with your consumer cellular account if you have not one. Now choose whether you want a new phone number or transfer your existing number. Now follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation and restart your phone once activation is complete. Method 2, activate through the My Consumer Cellular app. So connect your phone to a Wi-Fi network and download the My Consumer Cellular app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Now sign in and select Activate My Device. Now scan the barcode on the SIM card package or enter the activation code manually. Now follow the prompts, then restart your phone after activation is complete. Method 3, activate by phone. So if you have not rather activate with the assistant, call 888 345 5509 from a different phone. Now follow the automatic prompts or ask to speak with an activation specialist. Now provide your activation code or SIM card number and any required account information. Now wait for the representative to complete the activation, then restart your phone. Goodbye and thanks for watching.